Okay, here's the following problem under Windows 10. I just inserted a USB flash drive, is drive U, and if I right click and properties, then it says that is 32 gigabytes in size. Okay, but this flash drive is 64 gigabytes in reality, so why it's showing me only 32, only half of that? Well, to solve the problem, even formatting is not helping. So if I right click on it and go to format, even here it says that the capacity is only half of that, it's 32 instead of 64. Okay, so to fix the problem, right click this PC and go to manage. After manage, go here to disk management, and on the disk management window, look for the flash drive. It's this one in this case, and that's the entire capacity of the flash drive, and only this one, the U drive, half of it is used. So I don't have anything on that flash drive, so I should right click on this one and delete the volume. Yes, and then create another one. So right click, new simple volume, click on next, use the entire capacity of the disk, next, assign a drive letter if you want, next, let's call it 64 gigabyte stick, that's the volume label, just a name for the disk. It should be, let's say, exFAT, and check that quick format and click next, finish. Okay, it was finalized. Now the entire surface of that disk is used. Go back to File Manager. Here's the USB flash drive, and if you right click on it and go to Properties, then it says that is 64 gigabytes in size. Okay, and if we go to Format, even there it's recognized as a larger disk, is not 32 gigabytes in size. Okay, so that's how to regain your USB flash drive's capacity.